Welcome students. Today we will discuss about the image formation from a concave mirror and convex mirror. Last time we have studied about the concave mirror and convex mirror, but today we will discuss it again. Firstly, we will discuss about the image formation from the concave mirror. Let us suppose that we have an object at infinity. We are taking the first case when the object is at infinity. This is the image formation. Image formation by concave mirror, and we are taking the first case when the object is at infinity. When the object is at infinity, let us see the image formation by a concave mirror. Let us suppose that it is our concave mirror. This is the polished surface and this one is the reflecting surface. Let's draw the principal axis for the concave mirror. Here is our object which is at infinity, AB at infinity. Suppose this is the center of curvature of the concave mirror, and this represents the pole and the midpoint of pole and center of curvature is known as focus. When the object is at infinity, the the rays were coming parallel to the principal axis, or simply we can say that all the rays which are coming from infinity to our concave mirror are parallel rays. Okay. So when the rays are coming parallel, so this is the first ray, this one is the second ray. Then after reflection, it will pass through the point F, and the second ray also passes through F. As we can see, the both rays of light were passing through F after reflection. So our image is formed at the focus. Image is formed at the focus. Then the properties of the image are properties of the image. First one, rays of light after reflection meets at a point actually. It means the image formed is real. First property is the image formed is real. Second one, the image of the object. Suppose this is our object and the image is formed at F. We can see that the size of the image is very small, or we can say that the point size image is formed. So the image formed here is very diminished, or we can say it is point size image. Point sized image is formed. Secondly, the image formed by the concave mirror, when it is real, then the image formed is inverted. Image form is inverted. Third one is inverted, and the fourth, it is formed at the focus. Image is formed at the focus. Okay, this is our first case. Now we will discuss about the second case when the object is beyond C. Second case, when the object is at beyond C, means ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है हमारा C से थोड़ा पीछे की तरफ है. So let's take again a concave mirror. This is again our concave mirror, and this one is the polished surface. Let's draw the principal axis. So this is the principal axis of the concave mirror, and here is the center of curvature of the concave mirror. This one is pole, and this one is our focus, and the object is placed beyond C, means it is beyond C means थोड़ा सा पीछे है हमारे वजह से. Then first wave flight, we need two rays of light to form the image. First wave flight we are taking parallel to principal axis, and the rays coming parallel to principal axis after striking the mirror passes through the focus. So it will pass through the focus. This one is our focus, and the image the ray will pass through focus after reflection. Second ray of light we can take from either from the center of curvature or from the focus. So let's take it one by one. When we are taking it from center of curvature, then the image will form between C and F. Both of the rays were made at in between C and F, so the image form is between C and F. And the ray passing through the center of curvature always retraces its path, because when the ray of light passes through center of curvature, it acts like the normal incidence on the concave mirror. So the image form is at the in between the center of curvature and the focus. Second, we can draw it with the third ray also. When the ray of light passing through the focus, after when the ray of light passing through focus after reflection, it will be parallel to the principal axis, and when those parallel to principal axis, it will again form image at the same place. Suppose it is our object AB, then we will represent the image by A dash B dash. Okay. Now let's discuss the properties of the image so formed. First property, image is real. Image form is real. Second one, image form is inverted. We can see from the image that the image of object AB is inverted A dash B dash. Third property, it is of small size. Or we can say it is smaller than the object. It is smaller than the object. Next one. Third one. Fourth property. Image will form between center of curvature and the focus. Image will form between center of curvature and focus. Okay. Now we will take the third case when the object is at C. When the object is at C, means object lies at the center of curvature. When the object lies at the center of curvature, let us see how the image will form. Object is at the center of curvature at C. Okay, let's draw the concave mirror first. Suppose it is our concave mirror. Let's again draw the principal axis, and this is our center of curvature. This one is O, and this one is our focus, and object is at our center of curvature A and B. Similarly, we can draw the image first wave flight parallel to principal axis, and the rays going parallel to principal axis after striking the concave mirror, it will pass through the focus, and the rays passing through focus. Second is the rays passing through the focus after striking the concave mirror, they were parallel to the principal axis. They were parallel to principal axis, and the image is formed at C. So here is our image A prime, B prime. When we see the image, it is observed that the image formed is again real. Second one, the image formed is inverted. Image formed is inverted. And the third one property is it is at the center of curvature, means when the object is at the center of curvature, image will also form at the center of curvature. And the last property, it is of the same size. It is of the same size as that of our object. Object की ही size की image बनेगी. And next image is when the object lies between center of curvature and the focus. When the object lies between center of curvature and the focus, then the image formed will be beyond C. Okay, let's see how the image will form. Or when the object is between center of curvature and focus. When the object is between center of curvature and focus, let's draw the image. First we draw our concave mirror. This is our concave mirror, and this one is the polished surface, and this is a reflecting surface. Let's draw the principal axis. Suppose it is the center of curvature of the concave mirror, and this point represents the pole of the concave mirror, and it represents the focus of the concave mirror. And our object is in between center of curvature and the focus. Let our object be A and B. Again, first ray of light parallel to principal axis. After striking the plane concave mirror, it will pass through the focus. Okay. Second ray of light. Second ray of light will pass through the focus, and after striking the concave mirror, it will go parallel to the principal axis. It will go parallel to the principal axis, and they will meet there, and our image is formed at this point. As you can see, this is our image A prime, B prime. Let's talk about the properties of the image formed when the object lies between center of curvature and the focus. First one is again the rays of light after reflection meets at a point actually, so the image formed is real. Image formed is real. Second one we can see the image is larger than the object. Okay, image is larger than the object. Image is larger than the object. Third one, image is inverted. Image is inverted. Image कैसी बनी है हमारी? Inverted. Okay. Next property, image is formed beyond C. Okay, image is formed beyond the C. Beyond C. Okay, when the object lies beyond C, the image is formed between center of curvature and focus. And when the object lies between center of curvature and focus, the image is formed beyond C. Okay, let's see the next image formation by the concave mirror when the object lies at the focus. When the object lies at the focus. When the object is at the focus of the concave mirror, it is our fifth image formation. Let's draw the concave mirror first. center of curvature, and this one is our focus, and it is the point 4, which represents the 4, and our object lies at the focus. Here it is A, B represents our object. Again, first ray of light parallel to principal axis. After striking the concave mirror, it will pass through the focus. Okay, it represents the reflected light. Second ray of light. Second ray of light. It will be incident on the pole, and from here the principal axis represents the normal. If incident light, we know that the incident light makes an angle I with the normal, then the reflected angle will also be equal to I, means the reflected light ray will make the same angle. It will go in this direction. Okay, we can see from the image that the incident light and the reflected light, both of the reflected light rays were parallel to each other, and we have discussed it in the first case that if the if the object is at infinity, rays of light were coming parallel to the principal axis, or we can say simply rays of light will come parallel to each other, and when the rays of light goes parallel to each other, then they will meet at the infinity. It is the reverse case of the first case. When the object is at infinity, then the rays of light are coming parallel to each other, and here the rays of reflected light is going parallel to each other, so they will meet at infinity. This is the symbol for infinity. Okay, so the image formed, first one is real, image formed is real. Second, it will be inverted image. Third one, the image formed is very large image is formed. Fourth one is image will be formed at infinity. Image will form at the infinity. Now let's discuss the last case, when the object lies between the focus and the pole. When the object lies between focus and the pole. This is the most important case in the concave mirror, where the object is between focus and pole. Most important case. This case. Let's draw the concave mirror first. Suppose it is our concave mirror, and this is our principal axis. This point represents the center of curvature, and it is our pole. We have to extend principal axis in this case behind the concave mirror, because in this case the image formed is virtual. This one is our focus, and if the object is in between focus and the pole. Okay. First ray of light, suppose this is our object A, B. First ray of light again parallel to principal axis. After striking the plane mirror, concave mirror, it will pass through focus. This is our reflected light ray. Second light ray, it will be incident on the pole. As suppose this is our incident angle I, and the same angle light ray will be reflected, and we will draw at reflected light ray at the same angle R. Here angle I is equal to angle R, because according to this is according to the laws of reflection. We can see that both of the light rays they were going far from each other, it is seen that the separation between both of the reflected light rays is increasing time by time. Okay, so these light rays, these reflected light rays never meet at the left hand side of the plane mirror, sorry, concave mirror. So we will extend the reflected light rays in the backward direction of the concave mirror. When we extend these reflected light rays in the backward direction, we see that they are meeting at this point. At this point, our final image will be formed A dash, B dash. Okay, this is our final image. Let's discuss the properties of the image. First property: rays of light after reflection appears to be meeting at this point. Okay, rays of light after reflection appears to be meeting at this point. It means the final image form is virtual. Final image form is virtual. This is the only case in the concave mirror that the image form is virtual. Second, image form is erect. In the previous cases, the image form is inverted, but in this case, the image form is erect. Erect image. Third one, image form is enlarged. Enlarged image. This form means to say the image is very large as compared to the object. Fourth property, the image is formed behind the mirror. Image is formed behind the mirror. Image is formed at the behind the mirror. Okay.